Welcome to the next generation of AbsoluteBMC, the single-spin powerhouse that captures the essence of cellular composition in a bone marrow concentrate. AbsoluteBMC is ergonomically engineered for usability and performance with its new pipeless processing technology. In this video, we will prepare bone marrow concentrate from the 30 milliliter concentrating system. First, we will begin with priming the bone marrow needle and filter. Use heparin solution 1,000 units per milliliter as the anticoagulant of choice. You may also use citrate anticoagulant if heparin is not available. To begin, aspirate 15 milliliters of heparin into the 30 milliliter syringe and prime the syringe. Remove the stylet from the bone marrow needle and prime the needle. Then reinsert the stylet. Connect the heparin syringe to the out port of the BMA filter and prime the filter by injecting and removing the anticoagulant. When the priming procedure is completed, leave only 3 milliliters of heparin in the syringe. Using standard technique, aspirate 27 milliliters of bone marrow aspirate into the heparinized syringe. Connect the bone marrow syringe to the in port of the bone marrow filter. Then connect a 30 milliliter syringe to the out port of the filter. Filter by injecting the bone marrow through the filter into the 30 milliliter syringe. Remove the red vented cap from the needleless valve port of the device. Always remember to swab the port with sterile alcohol before and after accessing with a sterile syringe or cap. Attach the 30 milliliter bone marrow syringe to the needleless port and slowly inject into the separator device. Use the counterbalance device to counterbalance with equal volume. Place both devices in the centrifuge rotor at opposite ends. Follow the protocol settings provided in the AbsoluteBMC IFU insert. Close the centrifuge lid and press start. After centrifugation, the bone marrow buffy coat layer will be clearly visible between the bone marrow plasma and red blood cell layer. Attach the sterile 30 milliliter syringe to the needleless port and aspirate the bone marrow plasma. Aspirate until the red blood cell interface reaches 3 milliliters or the desired volume marker. This traps the plasma and bone marrow buffy coat layer in the aspirating cone. Attach the 12 milliliter syringe to the needleless port and aspirate 3 to 4 milliliters or the desired amount of bone marrow cell concentrate. This concludes our processing video for EMSite's AbsoluteBMC concentrating system.